to a school conducted science project. I always be a part of them. This year, my topic is Impact of Modern Agriculture Methods on Food Safety in India. I am excited to know more about my topic. I have few questions. Can you share your opinion for that, sir?
Yes, I can. You can show the questions.
So my first question. What's your opinion about sustainability in modern agriculture?
Sustainability. As you can see, for sustainability, it depends on a triangle. For example, it depends on three factors. One is social, economic, and third is environmental factors. Okay. For example, we can take an integrated farm system. First, you can see, rice, right? Paddy crops. The paddy crops, after harvesting, they use the paddy crops as fodder for animals. Those animals eat that fodder and they produce powder or manure, and that manure will be provided for poultry, and the manure of the poultry it will be provided for the aquaculture. Okay, it means fishes. They eat the manure and it will be converted, and the nutrient-rich water will be provided for crops. In a way, we can say it's a loop cycle. Such is sustainability. It's a long process for environmental protection. Okay, your next question.
Sir, my next question. What are the methods used in modern agriculture practices in India?
Modern agriculture. Nowadays, you can see first method is it is about precision farming. What is precision farming means? We can use a GPS system. Okay, GPS or a satellite system they'll use, and they'll monitor the plant crops so that they can control or so they can detect any disease or pest is happening in the plant or not, or any problem is happening in the plant, and the water is flowing directly to the plant and nutrients, etc. They can monitor everything by using the GPS system. That it comes under precision farming. And there are other methods like aquaponics, hydroponics. And aquaponics, they use the aquarium, that is, it's an interloop system, just like I have said in previous class about integrated farm management. That the water will be going to plants. In this water happens is in aquaculture, the manure provided by the fish will be act as nutrients and will be provided to the plants. And the plants in turn they will purify the water. Such happens in aquaculture. There are many other methods like hydroponics and vertical farming, etc. These two are the important methods. Okay, your next question.
So my next question. Can you share your opinion about how modern farming methods connect food safety?
Modern farming. Actually, I can say what is modern farming. There's both benefits and demerits also. Because, for example, I can connect it with the second question. Okay, you asked what are the methods, right? In that, there is one method known as monoculture. In monoculture means growing a single crop for a wide variety of area. If you do that, if it is susceptible to any diseases, it is prone to affect all the crops. Okay, it can cause problems to food safety of the plants. At the same time, if we use precision farming, by using GPS system, we can track the potential problems in plants, and we can avoid the problems, and we can improve the yield. So it has both harmful and same time beneficial effects.
So my next. How to attain a sustainable food supply? So can you specify an example? It would be useful for me.
Sustainable food supply. For a sustainable food supply, first we should have a limited resource. Okay. Right now we have the water resource and many things. They are only limited content. Okay. So we should use them properly. Okay. Then we should have a traceability. For example, let's say paddy rice crop. Traceability. We are by using it is connected to the second question. By using precision farming, by using GPS system, we can predict what is the problem in the plant, how much nutrients we are supplying to the plant, and all other factors. So by using that, we can continuously monitor the flow process. Okay, and that we should because nowadays the water resources are very limited. So we should use the limited water supply, at the same time nutrient-rich soil to continue the process. At the same time, after harvesting, we should use environmental friendly packaging system. Okay, sometimes they will use like low-grade polyethylene and they will cause bad leaf into soils. We should use environmental friendly, eco-friendly packaging systems so that it can be recycled and reused. And as for agricultural crops, there are many more waste. Actually, what to say? we are using only 2%, about 30 to 40% are going to waste. We can reuse the crops and we can recycle and we can use as various other productive items. In such a way, we can have a sustainable food supply. We can attain a sustainable food supply.
So my final question: what are the major challenges facing India agriculture today? Which steps have been taken by the government of India to improve agricultural productivity?
Challenges. Okay. Challenges means, for example, not many people are doing agriculture nowadays. Okay. Why? Because low capital. First challenge is low capital, and the next is what? Low manpower. Okay. And third is limited resources. For example, low water. Why low water? Because less rainfall, and seasons are unpredictable. They say they will be raining, but it will be summer. They say it will be hot Sunday, but it will be raining. The seasons are unpredictable. Okay, in such a conditions, and soil erosion also, because of using this harmful pesticides and fertilizers, the soil erosion happens because of the soils are eroded away. So these are some of the challenges it happens in agriculture. Okay, and you are asking about what are the steps taken by government.
Yes, sir.
Okay. For farmer, if he have to buy any product, there's a scheme named Kisan Credit Card, KCC. It's a central government scheme. By using the scheme, he can procure any products, and at this later stage, after harvesting, after getting the money, he can pay the money at a later time. Okay, that is one thing. And another policy that it is minimum support price, MSP. That is the government, it will fix a minimum support price for the agricultural products, so that the farmer he can get guaranteed price for his commodity.